If you want to get the latest version of Carrom Pool app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it. By updating Carrom Pool app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this game. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with your Carrom Pool game app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update your Carrom Pool app, you'll need to go ahead and search for the latest update for this app, either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for Google Play Store app, open it, log in, and then search here using the search bar. So I just search by name, Carrom Pool, like that. And if I go ahead and tap on this, now you can see we have our app here. Go ahead and tap on it to see more details about the app. And as you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Carrom Pool disc game app. To update, go ahead and tap on update. This will download the latest version of Carrom Pool and then install it on your smartphone. So once Carrom Pool has been installed, now you'll have the latest version. You can proceed and tap on play here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to launch or open your game app from there and start playing. So that's how you can update Carrom Pool game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.